Welcome to three-part anywhere. Here's the white. And now we're from a magic anywhere. Now from a magic is anywhere from this way. Okay, magic three-part anywhere. And now para magigan niya sa Rubik's. Bayad muna sa 329 pesos. Okay Sige, pag ganyan na Rubik's Cube ganyan ganyan. Ito, galing sa, para sa Rubik's Cube. And now, nasa yung design on sige. See you on Saturday, you next week and where? The 4th part now. Okay, see you!